To prevent Bluetooth speakers being recorded in volume monitor tab on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to change the device type of that Bluetooth speaker to other than headphone. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Tap connection. Next, tap Bluetooth. Now, tap the settings icon next to the required Bluetooth speaker you like to change its device type. Tap audio device type and then set it to other than headphone. You can either select speaker or others. As the example, we will select speaker. By changing the device type of a Bluetooth speaker to other than headphone, this device will not be recorded in the volume monitor tab. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.